Hello everyone, I'm Phil the Puppet Boy, and I'm outside enjoying the fresh air. Feels good. Does feel good. Even though I have been doing a lot of stuff recently, like, I don't know, going outside, playing some games, and also, there's more. I have been doing a lot of video projects recently because I have. And I know you guys you rather see me in person. And I get ya, and sometimes I need a break. And I have been getting a lot of breaks since I made a lot of Dream Logo combos. Hopefully they might happen. If so, let's put that on YouTube, because I might make something else. What if I directed a movie? I don't know. Should I direct a movie? What would my movie be about? But anyway, back to the nature thing. I'm in nature. I love nature, baby. The best part of being in nature is the waterfalls. That's right. The waterfalls are amazing. I mean, I would know anyone being in nature, especially bears. Bears love nature. Rawr! You know what? There's a lot of people who live on nature trails and houses. Yeah, those are one of those things that I could do. Pick berries. Berries. Excuse me a second. Berries. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Oh, are we back here now? Or it's nice to see you guys again. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. I am on my own schedule because I'm in nature, celebrating the joy. Yeah, a lot has happened for me recently. Like, I don't know, thinking on some stuff. There's a lot to do in nature, especially eye on some nature animals like a deer. Like Bambo. I mean Bambi. Yeah, Disney's Bambi. I'm sure he's out here somewhere. Bambi, Bambi, Bambi. Bambi, Bambi, Bambi. Never mind. You know what? He's a deer. Yeah, like Bambi. Okay, that's all, folks. Folks, I gotta go. I got a lot of exploring in nature to do. Bye-bye. Okay, now let me see. How do you turn this thing off? Turn this thing off. How do I turn this thing off?